So we're gonna be unboxing the Sony Alpha series lens, so 18-105mm, and Sony A6500. So that's one of the best cameras right here in the market. Obviously Sony A7S2 is top of the line, but so far this one is the best for money can buy. So we're gonna go ahead and box this. Here is the beast. Ooh, look at this baby. Beautiful. Got that touchscreen display. Tilts down. I wish it would tilt and rotate to the side or up top. That would be really helpful if you do vlogging or not. Now you have two programming buttons. Shutter on off. Got that flash popping out. Absolutely amazing camera. No battery. Speaking of the batteries, wish they would last longer. And SD slot right here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Well, just a moment, guys. Be right back. Alright, back with the SD card. Finally. And keep in mind, get the Extreme Pro, the one that supports 4K video, because this camera obviously going to be doing 4K video. There is Extreme Plus. ScanDisk is the top of the line brand for SD cards. Extreme Pro, Extreme Plus, it'll be okay, but Extreme Pro will be the best speed. Let's get this into our camera. Come on. Here it is. So it's waterproof, shockproof, fireproof, all sorts of proof. Let's proof this right into this camera. Now the battery. Let's put the battery in. Click. And let's see this operate. Let's turn it on. English. Yes, please. Oh, this touchscreen doesn't work like that? I guess the touchscreen only works if you do the autofocus or tap to focus. Set time, date, parent images database. Yes, it is working. Let's shut this off. So, got some more coffee. And one of the first shots I'm gonna make is gonna be a mug of coffee because I do love coffee. I do love tea as well, but coffee is awesome. Let's put this on. And let's put the lens. I'm super excited about this lens. 2 dots. Clink. This is it. Look at this final product. Almost final. I'm gonna just do a little bit of extra to it. But next up, let's take first picture. Powered on. Oh boy. Look at this. Oh, zoom is beautiful. It's just so smooth. Picture auto. Just the first shot. So, let's try this coffee. Oh my god, it's awesome. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do it. And again, I'll see you next time.